Here's the reason I changed motor mounts. This is the left side. I've already pulled the left side out. And sucker just ripped all the pieces. There's a brand new one. Now I'm gonna put the right side in. This is the right. They're both the same. Doesn't matter. That's what the difference is. Look at that. It's just gone. Okay. And they're fairly easy to get off. And just these 3 bolts right here. These are, man, they are a booger. They're a pain in the ass all the way out. Trust me. So you get it part of the way out, squirt it with some WD-40, run it back down in there, and then it'll come out easier. Help lube it. I did these and those. I gotta put some more WD-40 on that. That's the left side. I didn't do the left side. Man, that was a pain in the ass. The right side I did, and I got that other one over here. Oh, it's up on top of the truck. But they can be all done from underneath the truck.